Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville in South Bay Township Library. Today we are going to make seed paper. Let's see what we'll need for this activity. To begin, we are going to take toilet paper. If you have 1-ply, you will need 6 sheets, 2-ply, 3 sheets. And I'm going to put that in a glass jar and add 1 cup of water. You want to have a tight fitting lid, and what you'll do is shake this for about 30 seconds, and you want all of the toilet paper in here to kind of break apart and become pulp, because we are making our own paper. So I'll continue with this and then we'll move on. Now I need to strain out all of the paper in this jar. I'm going to take some form of flat mesh. I'm using this plastic here, and I want to place a cookie cutter on top. It's very important that what you're using to strain is flat. I tried a colander, and the curved surface made my paper fall apart in the step after this one. So I have my flat surface, my cookie cutter, and I'm going to pour my pulp right in there. You might have to give it a little shake to get all of the water out. So next, what we want to do is we are going to carefully remove our cookie cutter, and then take a paper towel, and this is why we needed a flat surface. We are going to flip our shape out onto a paper towel. And from there, you're going to take some seeds and just pop them into your paper. And just like that, you have made seed paper. So when it dries, it will look like this, and you will have some lovely seed paper that you can go and plant in a pot. Now when you go to plant it, you want to dig down about 8 inches or so, plant this, and then put some dirt over top. Make sure you water it really well. You don't want it to dry out, because you need the seeds in here to germinate. So thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.